Imagine being able to create cinematic, hyper-realistic AI images inside Canva without expensive software or professional photography skills. Not just random visuals, but polished images that look like luxury advertisements, movie stills, viral social media campaigns, and premium commercial photography. That's exactly what this prompt framework is designed to help you do inside Canva AI. What you're looking at here is not just a normal image prompt template. It is a structured, cinematic prompting system engineered to create visually immersive, emotionally engaging, and commercially polished AI images. Inside this framework, there are two types of bracketed sections you need to understand. The first are customizable variables like subject, environment, lighting, mood, camera angle, color grading, and atmosphere. These are the parts you can change depending on the image you want to create. The second are instructional brackets, which are not meant to be edited. These exist to guide Canva AI by giving it cinematic structure, visual direction, and realistic scene behavior, so the output feels intentional instead of generic. Now, starting with the role section, this is where you define what Canva AI is supposed to become. In this case, the AI is assigned the identity of a cinematic visual director, luxury commercial photographer, and advanced prompt engineer. The purpose of this section is to push Canva AI into producing higher quality visuals with stronger composition, realism, and storytelling. Next is the task section, which defines the objective of the image generation process. Instead of simply asking Canva AI to make an image, this section instructs the AI to create emotionally engaging cinematic visuals designed for branding, YouTube thumbnails, advertising, social media, or editorial style content. The purpose of this section is to keep the output visually focused and commercially appealing. After that comes the variables section, which is where cinematic prompting becomes powerful. Most beginners only describe the subject, but high-quality prompts control the entire visual environment surrounding the subject. This includes lighting direction, atmosphere, lens behavior, textures, reflections, depth cues, and environmental storytelling. The purpose of these variables is to create realism through layered visual detail. For example, adding reflections or foreground obstruction helps simulate real-world camera framing and depth. Next is the execution rules section, which controls how Canva AI interprets the prompt. This section teaches the AI to think more like a cinematographer than a keyword generator. The purpose here is to create believable lighting, cinematic composition, realistic textures, and emotional visual tension while avoiding generic wording. Then we move into the advanced enhancement section, which is what separates average AI images from premium commercial style outputs. This section introduces atmosphere layering like fog, haze, smoke, rain, particles, reflections, and cinematic color grading. These details make the image feel physically believable and emotionally immersive, similar to scenes captured in real cinematography. Finally, the output rules and example direction sections exist to maintain quality and change the way you think about prompting itself. Instead of describing simple objects, you begin directing full cinematic scenes. You stop writing "a man standing in the rain" and start describing lighting behavior, atmosphere, reflections, emotional tone, and environmental storytelling. This is what transforms ordinary prompts into visually compelling cinematic imagery. If you're tired of living paycheck to paycheck, this could be your solution to finally break free from that cycle. AI voiceovers are one of the fastest growing ways to earn passive income, and they can truly change your life. And today's your lucky day because we've put together a complete step-by-step guide to help you get started. Just hit the subscribe button as well as a notification bell, then check out the pinned comment down below to get your free guide on making money with AI voiceovers. So when you put everything together, this framework is not just teaching Canva AI how to generate images. It is teaching Canva AI how to simulate cinematic photography, commercial advertising, and emotional visual storytelling using structured prompting logic. If you want to see how this prompt is applied in a real example, we made a separate video for that. Just click the link in the pinned comments down below. Let us know in the comments if you have any suggested topics you want us to cover, and I'll see you on our next video.